Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to solve a jigsaw puzzle. First, find a well-lit, flat surface, like a large table, to spread out your pieces. Then, flip all the pieces right side up. This initial organization saves a lot of time later on. Next, focus on finding all the border pieces. These are crucial for establishing the puzzle's overall shape and providing a solid foundation for the rest of your work. This systematic approach makes the process much more enjoyable and efficient. Once your border is complete, it's time to tackle the inner pieces. Start by sorting them into smaller groups based on color, pattern, or even specific details you recognize from the box image. For example, all the blue sky pieces go together, and all the green tree pieces form another group. This step is vital for breaking down the large task into manageable sections. You might use several small containers to keep these groups separate and tidy, making it easier to find what you need. With your pieces sorted, begin assembling smaller, distinct sections of the puzzle. Pick an area with a clear pattern or color, like a specific building, an animal, or a unique landscape feature. Build these mini-puzzles independently. As you complete these smaller sections, you'll find it much easier to connect them to the main border and to each other. Always keep the puzzle box image handy. It serves as your blueprint and helps you visualize where each section belongs. Finally, it's time to fill in the remaining gaps. This stage often involves a bit more trial and error. Focus on the empty spaces and look for pieces that have the right color and shape to fit. Don't be afraid to try a piece in all 4 possible orientations, as sometimes a subtle difference can make it fit perfectly. With patience and persistence, you will connect the last piece, revealing the complete picture. Enjoy the satisfaction of finishing your beautiful jigsaw puzzle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.